Hey guys, welcome back to News Motorbike. What if you could own something that feels almost like a full MotoGP machine without ever being part of a factory team? Well, that's exactly what Aprilia is bringing to the table with the brutal and exclusive Aprilia X250TH, a track-only hyperbike built to push performance to its absolute limit. At a glance, it may resemble an RSV4 Factory, but make no mistake, this is something far beyond a superbike. Under the fairing sits a heavily reworked V4 engine producing around 240 horsepower, with a screaming redline above 14,000 revolutions per minute. This isn't about daily riding. This is pure speed, engineered for the track. But power is only half the story. The real magic lies in its MotoGP-derived technology. The X250TH uses carbon-carbon brake discs, the same extreme setup found in top-level racing. Lightweight, heat-resistant, and brutally effective, these brakes alone redefine performance standards. Then comes the aerodynamics. Aggressive winglets and advanced bodywork generate real downforce, keeping the bike stable and planted at high speed. It's sharp, precise, and unforgiving, just like a true race machine. The chassis setup is equally insane. Öhlins race-tuned suspension, forged magnesium wheels, and full slick tires complete a package designed for one purpose: dominating lap times. Backing it all up is Aprilia's APX Racing ECU, giving riders full control over traction, throttle, and engine behavior, just like a professional team. And then, exclusivity seals the deal. Only 30 units will ever exist, with a price tag around $150,000. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. So the question is, would you ride it, or keep it as a masterpiece?